Kermit the Frog.
What the?
You've spent your entire career with someone's hand up your ass. A veritable puppet, so to speak.
Well, I am a puppet.
Now, to retrieve the antidote to the deadly poison, coursing through your veins as we speak.
My first question would be, how?
You must stick your hand up someone else's ass. You have 2 minutes before the poison kills you. Will you die a puppet, or live a puppet master? Make your choice.
Sorry, buddy.